For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Number 3.
Make cooking easier, faster, and healthier. With a 6-quart capacity, this air fryer offers enough space to cook family-sized meals while saving kitchen counter space. Its advanced Turbo Blaze technology delivers a powerful 3,600 RPM fan speed and reaches temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring crispy and juicy results with minimal effort. One of the key advantages of this air fryer is its ability to cook with up to 95% less oil compared to traditional frying methods. This means you can enjoy your favorite fried foods without excessive fat and calories, making it a healthier choice for any household. It gives users the flexibility to cook various dishes. The 9-in-1 functionality includes roasting, baking, drying, reheating, cooking frozen foods, broiling, and proofing dough. Whether you're making crispy fries, juicy chicken, or dehydrating fruit, this air fryer delivers consistent results. This innovative feature helps deliver quick, even cooking while maintaining excellent texture. The powerful 5-speed fan system ensures air circulates efficiently, creating evenly cooked meals without the need for constant monitoring. This is particularly beneficial for busy individuals who need to prepare meals quickly on weeknights. It makes it perfect for families or meal prepping. Despite its large capacity, the compact design ensures it doesn't take up unnecessary counter space. Whisper quiet operation. Unlike many air fryers that can be noisy, this 𝐓𝐇𝐀𝐍𝐶 model operates at less than 53 dB, making it one of the quieter options available. Whether you're cooking early in the morning or late at night, it won't disrupt the household. User-friendly features. The air fryer includes a customizable preheat function that adjusts time based on temperature, offering flexibility for different cooking needs. Users can choose whether to preheat for optimal results or skip it for convenience. Additionally, the dishwasher-safe non-stick cooking basket and detachable accessories make cleanup quick and hassle-free. Included extras. Every purchase includes a user manual, a 30-recipe cookbook created by professional chefs, and a cooking chart for easy reference. These resources ensure you get the most out of your air fryer, making meal preparation more accessible even for beginners. Final thoughts. Its combination of Turbo Blaze technology, large capacity, and user-friendly design makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're frying, roasting, or baking, this air fryer delivers consistent, high-quality results while reducing cooking time and oil usage. With its professional-grade versatility and thoughtful design, this air fryer is a practical choice for anyone looking to enjoy delicious, healthier meals with minimal effort.
Number 2.
For convenience and efficiency, this all-in-one convection oven offers fast cooking, healthier meals, and a large 10-liter capacity suitable for families and meal prepping. Versatile countertop cooking. The need for multiple appliances. Whether you want to air fry crispy fries, roast a whole chicken, dehydrate fruits, or bake a cake, this device handles it all. With 17 preset cooking options, it simplifies meal preparation for beginners and experienced cooks alike. Faster cooking with no preheating required. Unlike traditional ovens that require preheating, this air fryer oven uses rapid air heating elements to cook food evenly and quickly. The convection technology ensures that meals are crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, reducing cooking time and energy consumption. Healthier meals with less oil. This air fryer reduces oil usage by up to 98% compared to traditional frying methods. By using hot air circulation instead of submerging food in oil, you can enjoy crispy, flavorful meals with fewer calories and less fat. Whether making fries, chicken wings, or vegetables, this appliance supports a healthier lifestyle. Easy-to-use digital controls. The air fryer features a user-friendly capacitive touch control screen, allowing anyone to select the perfect cooking setting with ease. The 17 preset options remove guesswork, providing consistent results for different types of food. Simply choose a preset, set the time and temperature, and let the appliance do the rest. Extra large 10-liter capacity. Designed for families and meal preppers, The 10-liter capacity allows you to cook large portions in a single batch. Whether preparing dinner for a household or cooking multiple meals for the week, this air fryer oven accommodates a variety of needs. The spacious interior fits whole chickens, multiple trays of snacks, or large batches of vegetables. Monitor cooking progress. The built-in interior light and extra-large viewing window let you check on your food without opening the door. This helps maintain temperature consistency and prevents heat loss, ensuring even cooking. Whether air frying, roasting, or baking, you can easily monitor the cooking process without interruption. Convenient and safe. This air fryer oven includes an auto shut-off feature for added safety. The appliance automatically turns off when cooking is complete, preventing overcooking and enhancing user convenience. Its design prioritizes ease of use, making it a reliable choice for busy kitchens. Conclusion. It's an excellent choice for those looking to simplify their cooking process while enjoying healthier meals. With its versatile functions, rapid cooking technology, and spacious capacity, this appliance meets the demands of modern kitchens. Whether air frying, baking, dehydrating, or roasting, it delivers consistent and efficient results every time.
Number 1.
Healthier cooking with less oil. The Ninja Air Fryer AF101 allows users to enjoy crispy, delicious meals with up to 75% less fat than traditional deep frying. Its air frying technology ensures food stays crispy on the outside while using minimal oil. With a temperature range of 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, it offers precise control for frying, roasting, reheating, and dehydrating food. 4-in-1 cooking versatility. This air fryer is more than just for frying. It features 4 cooking functions: air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. The 4-quart non-stick basket can hold up to 2 pounds of French fries, making it great for small families. The dehydrate function removes moisture at a low temperature, perfect for making homemade chips and dried fruit. Compact design and easy cleaning. The compact yet spacious design makes it ideal for any kitchen. Cleanup is simple, with a dishwasher-safe basket and crisper plate, and the exterior can be easily wiped clean. It comes with a 20-recipe booklet, helping users explore new meal ideas. Whether cooking frozen foods, vegetables, or juicy meats, the Ninja Air Fryer ensures quick, healthy, and flavorful meals.